Welcome to this exciting new video about how to get paid every 10 minutes using Google Translate. If you are looking to earn money online, then you have come to the right place. In this video, we will be discussing a unique and innovative method for earning income on the internet, and it's all thanks to Google Translate. If you are not familiar with Google Translate, it is a free online translation service provided by Google. It's a powerful tool that can translate text, speech, images, and even entire web pages from one language to another. And now, with this new method, you can use Google Translate to make money every 10 minutes. We'll be covering everything you need to know in this video, from setting up your account to maximizing your earnings. We'll show you how to use Google Translate in a way that will help you earn money on a consistent basis. Plus, we will share some tips and tricks to help you get the most out of this method. So if you are ready to start earning money online with Google Translate, then let's get started. Before we dive into the exciting details of this method, I would like to remind you to please like this video if you find it informative and helpful, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a future video. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you, and we really appreciate it. Now let's get back to the topic at hand: how to get paid every 10 minutes using Google Translate. Okay guys, back to my laptop screen. Now the first step we have to take is to go to the official website of Google Translate. So all you have to do is just type into your search bar translate.google.com and you'll be here. And as you can see, you can translate to English, Spanish, and a whole bunch of other languages. Okay, so let's say we type hello in English, and it will translate it to hola in Spanish. And the second step you have to take is to go to cpagroup.com. CPA Group is an industry leader in the affiliate marketing space, maintaining an impressive track record of success and publisher satisfaction since 2013. Okay, so CPA simply stands for Call to Action, which means you get paid for someone performing an action. So all we have to do is just click on this register button. Then all we have to do is enter our first name, our last name, our company name, our website, our street address, our country, our city, our state origin, and our zip or postal code, our phone number, our Skype ID here, and we select the publisher type. The publisher type, you should choose GPT, which stands for Get Paid To, and here you have to enter your email address and then your password, and you need to confirm your password. Choose your time zone here, and you just tell them where you heard about them. You agree to all these three conditions, and then you just click on register now. I have an account, so I'll quickly log in. So after you are logged in into the account, you just quickly head over to the offer tools, my offer, then it will load, and here as you can see it's showing the country as Ghana because I am in Ghana. So you can just change the country to any other country, for example United States. And as you can see, these are the offers for United States. So let's check the high paying offer. The US, the high paying offer is now this offer. Grab your price today. But as you can see, is the payout is just $2.06. So all we have to do is just change the country to another country, for example Spain. And when we check for the most paying offer in Spain, you can see here is $19.25. You get it? So we just click on this offer. You have to just change the tracking domain to maybe this one. Then let's see what this is about. Copy this, go back to Google Translate, then you paste this, translate to English, access films. So this product here is about accessing films. So all we have to do is just copy our link, then we just save it somewhere. The next step here is to sign up to Pinterest.com. Here you have to just sign up, but I have an account, so I'll quickly log in. So after I'm done logging, so now I'm in my Pinterest account, and all we have to also do is just go to Canva.com and let's set for Pinterest pin here. Pinterest pin. All I have to do is just scroll through and select the one you think is awesome. So I just selected this one because it's like a giveaway. So all we have to do is go back to Google Translate and here English to maybe Spanish, then you just type in here get free films, and then you can add scarcity, for example limited sports available. Then all I have to do is just copy, and we go back to our Canva design, we double click and we paste this in here. Just paste this in here and make sure it fits very well. Okay, so because this says films, we need to change the icon here. So all we need to do is just go here to elements and just type films. Let's see what comes up. Okay, so we can use this one into place. So just select this one, then you delete it, take this one and paste it a little bit large, click on share, then download, then you click on download to download the file. Be sure to download it as a PNG file or JPEG. So as it's downloading, be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Make sure to like this video, share this video to all your friends and family and your loved ones. So after it has completed downloading, as you can see here, the next step is to move on back to Pinterest and click on this create button here and create pin. So all you have to do is just drag and drop this pin you created, and the title should be almost the same here. Then you have to add a destination link, and if you go straight to copy this link and come back here to Pinterest to paste, your pin might be deleted. So it's best to go to this website known as bit.ly.com. Have to scroll down and see this bar, just paste in that long link and click shorten, and now you have a shortened link which will not be removed from the Pinterest site. You go back and just paste it here, then you click on save. So after you are done, just have to click on save, then it has been saved. So just, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like and comment, share this video to your loved ones. Peace out. Bye.